Biogas production offers an innovative and sustainable solution for managing livestock waste in dairy farms of all scales, small, medium, and large. This technology is particularly relevant in tropical countries like Sri Lanka, where dairy farming plays a critical role in rural livelihoods. By integrating biogas systems, dairy farmers can transform livestock waste into renewable energy and valuable byproducts, fostering a more sustainable and profitable farming system. This approach aligns with the principles of the circular and green economies, where resources are efficiently used, waste is minimized, and environmental sustainability is prioritized. Small-scale dairy farmers, typically with 2 to 5 cows, can utilize compact biogas digesters to generate biogas for household cooking and lighting. Medium-scale farms with 10 to 50 cows can install mid-size biogas systems to power farm operations, such as pumping water or running equipment. For large-scale dairy farms with over 100 cows, industrial biogas plants can produce substantial amounts of energy to run milk chilling, processing facilities, and even power nearby communities. These systems enable dairy farmers to recycle livestock waste efficiently. The energy generated helps reduce reliance on expensive, non-renewable fuels, while the nutrient-rich byproduct, known as digestate, is an excellent organic fertilizer. This aligns with the circular economy principle, where waste materials are reused to create value, enhancing sustainability and profitability across the farm scales. Biogas production brings numerous benefits to dairy farmers. Economically, it reduces energy and fertilizer costs while providing opportunities to sell surplus energy and digestate. Environmentally, it captures methane from manure, a potent greenhouse gas, and converts it into energy, significantly reducing emissions. This helps dairy farms become part of climate change mitigation efforts. Socially, biogas systems improve rural living standards by ensuring access to clean energy, reducing indoor air pollution from traditional cooking methods, and fostering better waste management. Agriculturally, the digestate left after biogas production is a game changer. It is a nutrient-rich fertilizer that enhances soil fertility, particularly for fodder crop cultivation. Crops like Napier grass, fodder sorghum, maize, and stylosanthes thrive with digestate application, ensuring a consistent and cost-effective supply of high-quality feed for livestock. By improving soil health, digestate reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, promoting sustainable farming practices and protecting the environment from harmful runoff. Biogas systems play a dual role in addressing climate change. They help dairy farmers adapt by providing a stable and renewable energy source, reducing vulnerability to fluctuating energy costs. Additionally, improved soil health from digestate application increases crop yields and resilience to climatic stresses like drought. On the mitigation side, biogas systems capture methane emissions from manure storage and reduce the carbon footprint of farms by replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy. This integration of biogas production aligns with the green economy concept, which emphasizes environmentally friendly practices that support economic growth and reduce ecological harm. For tropical countries like Sri Lanka, biogas technology represents a practical way to make agriculture climate smart and sustainable. Tropical countries have demonstrated the transformative potential of biogas systems. In India, smallholder dairy farmers benefit from national programs that subsidize biogas plants, enabling them to meet household energy needs and fertilize crops organically. In Thailand, large-scale dairy farms use biogas for milk processing, with the leftover digestate supporting rice and fodder cultivation. Kenya has implemented smallholder biogas systems to power homes and enhance coffee and maize production with digestate. Similarly, Vietnam has pioneered community-based biogas projects that integrate livestock farming with crop production, reducing emissions and improving soil health. These examples highlight the versatility of biogas technology in addressing energy, waste, and agricultural challenges, making it a practical solution for all scales of dairy farming. Biogas production transforms dairy farming into a sustainable enterprise. It reduces costs by cutting reliance on synthetic fertilizers and fossil fuels. Digestate application enriches soil, boosting fodder crop yields and improving livestock productivity. Farms become more energy self-sufficient, reducing the environmental impact of their operations. Additionally, biogas systems enhance rural livelihoods by providing clean energy, improving sanitation, and promoting eco-friendly farming practices. Biogas production is more than just an energy solution. It is a pathway to sustainable farming, environmental conservation, and climate resilience. By adopting biogas systems, dairy farmers can create a circular farming model where waste is transformed into energy and fertilizer, ensuring resource efficiency and economic sustainability. As tropical countries like Sri Lanka continue to develop their dairy sectors, embracing biogas technology will empower farmers to achieve financial security, improve agricultural productivity, and contribute to global efforts in combating climate change. This is not just a solution for the present, but an investment in a greener, more sustainable future for all.